Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to set a Golf Mk1 carburetor. Before we dive into adjustments, it's crucial to ensure your engine is fully warmed up to its normal operating temperature. This allows for accurate readings and stable adjustments. Next, take a moment to identify the idle mixture screw and the idle speed screw on your carburetor. Also, carefully check for any air leaks around the carburetor base and vacuum hoses, as these can significantly impact performance. Now let's tackle the fuel mixture. Begin by gently turning the mixture screw clockwise until it lightly seats. Do not over-tighten. Then back it out approximately 2.5 to 3 full turns as a starting point. With the engine running, slowly turn the mixture screw in small, quarter-turn increments. Listen for the engine to reach its highest and smoothest idle speed. This is often referred to as the lean best idle setting. With your fuel mixture now perfectly set, it's time to fine-tune the idle speed. Use the idle speed screw to bring the engine revolutions per minute to the recommended range. For most Golf Mk1 carburetors, an ideal warm idle speed is between 800 and 900 revolutions per minute. Adjust it gradually until the engine runs smoothly and consistently, without any signs of hesitation or excessive vibration. This ensures a stable and efficient idle. To finalize your carburetor setup, take your Golf Mk1 for a short drive to ensure everything settles. Then, recheck both your mixture and idle speed adjustments, making any minor tweaks if necessary. Always confirm there are no lingering vacuum leaks, as these can severely impact your carburetor's function. For truly optimal engine performance, also ensure your ignition timing is accurately set. Following these steps will help your carburetor run its best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.